What is up, people of the internet? I'm here in Idlewild in Southern California. I live close to here, but I've never ridden here before. I just got this brand new 2025 GasGas EC300. It's the Grand Prix edition, and I'm trying to break it in right now without getting carried away and doing something dumb. And there's some cool spots out here, so I'm gonna do a little exploring, and let's see how she does. Adjust my clickers for sure. It's stiff. Wait to break this thing in. It feels so good. It's the smoothest bike ever. Bear in mind, my normal bike right now before this was a 2000 Honda CR250R. So this bike is sick, man. The amount of pull this thing has and low RPM is nuts. What is this? We'll just tractor up it. Double black diamond in my ass. God, I really want to jump up some of this stuff, and I just can't. Like, well, I can. I'm gonna ruin my bike. Oh, this is fun. Can't drop the brand new bike. Okay, now I see why it's a double. Remember what I told myself about turning around if it got bad? Well, that didn't work out. Tractor mode engaged. Which way do I go? Like, I'm such an idiot, dude. I should not be taking this thing up here right now. We're looking tight though, dude. It's looking good. Hell yeah, I'm having a blast on this thing. I can't even really utilize all of it, and I feel terrible when I'm lugging it right here, but was that something, trying to get it up that trail without, you know, being aggressive in any way. All right, so upon further inspection of the maps, well, it turns out this just leads me to a highway, so I'm gonna have to turn around instead of keep going because I don't have enough gas to get back. And now I gotta take this beautiful piece of equipment back down it, hopefully without eating shit. All right, well, GoPro's gonna die soon. Here we go. Looking steep and treacherous. You know, actually the sketch ball line to go up might be better. Oh my. Well, that was the one I was worried about, so I think we're cool. Questionable line choice there. Not sure what the thought process was on that one. Well folks, I'm gonna finish the rest of this engine break in and listen to some tunes with my new Cardo that I just bought. So yeah, if you like the video, hit the like, and if you're looking forward to seeing me rip on this thing once I hit that 5-hour mark, yeah, hit that subscribe button, boys. All right, you have a beautiful day. I'll see you later.